Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to send money internationally with Intesa Sanpaolo mobile application. So let's start with the first step, which is to open the Intesa Sanpaolo. So in here, you have to log in with your codes and PIN, or you can also use your biometric login. Now on the home screen, you will see your conto corrente balance and quick action tiles. So from here, you just have to tap the green Bonifico tile to start a transfer. Next up is choose Bonifico Estero Extra SEPA. So under the page, the transfer, you will see the Bonifico SEPA, Bonifico Estero Extra SEPA, Western Union, and MoneyGram. Now, for sending money outside the SEPA zone, like USA, UK, Philippines, you have to tap on the Bonifico Estero Extra SEPA. Now, for the EU countries, you can use the Bonifico SEPA instead, and this one is free. Next step is add the beneficiary's details. So you have to enter the full name, the IBAN, BIC or the SWIFT code, and also the country code and bank name. So you have to make sure that every character of the IBAN and SWIFT is correct, since a single typo can send your money to a wrong account. Now, once you're done with that, you have to tap on the Avante to continue. Next step is enter the amount, the reason, and review the rate. So type the amount in EUR that you want to send, and as well as the reason for the transfer, like family support. Now, the app shows the live exchange rate, so that is how much the recipient will receive in their currency, and the commission fee as well. So you have to make sure to review everything carefully and tap on the green confirm a button. Lastly, is you have to authorize the transfer with your Oki Smart, which is the push notification or SMS code. Now you will see the Bonifico Enviato with the amount, beneficiary, and the TRN reference number. So international transfers usually arrive within 1 to 3 business days. So you have to tap on the download to download a PDF receipt. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.